Hi, this is to show you how to program your refrigeration controller. On the left hand side is the temperature you want the compressor to come on. On the right hand side is the temperature you want to come off. The center temperature is the room temperature. Okay, so just to program the time that you want it to come on at, so we'll put that down to say 27 degrees. Just put 27, it will flash for a while and then it'll stop, and that's programmed in. And the temperature you want to come off, say 30 degrees, again just let it come on, and that is basically your temperature set. Now just if you watch the controller there when I put my fingers on it, when it reaches the 30, you'll see the green light come on, and that means the relay is turned off. And when it goes back down to temperature, it will come on. Just watch that for a few seconds. The unit will work on temperatures minus 19 to 99 degrees. I should have used a glass of cold water. And there you have it. The compressor's now kicked back in again. That concludes the programming on the refrigeration controller. Thanks for watching.